What if everything you've been told about laziness is wrong? You've been conditioned to believe that laziness is a flaw, a sign of weakness, lack of discipline, or low ambition. But what if laziness is actually a powerful message from your mind and body? What if it's not your enemy, but your guide? Welcome to the Art of Laziness. Overcome procrastination and improve your productivity by Library Mindset. A fresh, liberating, and eye-opening book that turns the outdated hustle culture on its head. This book isn't about doing less. It's about doing better, with intention, alignment, and energy that works for you, not against you. Book summary. The Art of Laziness is a practical and mindset-driven guide designed to help you understand the real reasons behind procrastination and how to overcome them without burnout, guilt, or constant self-blame. It's divided into two key parts. Mindset reframes how you perceive laziness and productivity. You'll learn how societal pressure, perfectionism, and fear of failure often disguise themselves as laziness. Techniques offers actionable strategies and productivity tools that fit your natural rhythm, not someone else's rigid formula. This book empowers you to build a lifestyle that honors both rest and action, unlocking your potential through clarity, compassion, and consistency. Key takeaways: laziness isn't a weakness, it's feedback. It's your inner system asking for clarity, rest, or purpose. Procrastination is often a symptom, not the root cause. Learn how to spot the real issues behind it. Productivity doesn't mean constant motion. It's about smart, intentional movement toward what truly matters. Mindset first, then methods. Changing how you think about your time, energy, and self-worth is the foundation for lasting change. You don't need to hustle 24/7 to be successful. You need flow, not force. Like this video to support the channel, comment below with what resonated with you most, subscribe for more weekly content on mindset, productivity, and personal growth. Share this with someone who needs a mindset shift today.